everyone, this is Sharon and Jamie from Sharon at Sea.
What's up, everybody?
And we are going on the Carnival Dream, and we are going to take you guys with us. All right, we are going to be going on the Carnival Dream in 12 days.
That's right. That's why I'm wearing this shirt. Hashtag fun ships, because we are going on a fun ship. It'll be our first time on the Carnival Dream. We're leaving out of New Orleans.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun.
And we are going to have a great time. And we're putting together a bunch of videos. We want to take you day by day as we prepare to go on this cruise.
That's right. Especially for the new cruisers, we want to show you what it takes to get ready for a cruise. You know, what we do each day as we prepare to get on that ship, and so everything runs smooth.
Yeah, so we're going to show you clips from our preparation starting about 12 days out. We're going in about 2 weeks, so
we'll be showing you things like preparing our documents, printing our things off from the computer, our documents, our luggage tags, packing. Everyone loves packing.
Oh yeah, I love packing.
What's in our carry-on?
Hold on, what's packing?
Packing.
I'm not allowed to do much packing.
Yeah, okay, I'll do the packing.
That's Sharon's specialty.
But we will even be doing a little shopping, you know, picking up the few incidentals you need. We'll take you along with us, and we're just going to kind of show you everything.
Yes.
Up to when we get on that ship and bring you along. So.
And even after that, you're going to see some live behind-the-scenes action of all of our travels to New Orleans, getting on the ship. We'll show you our cabin. We'll show you around the cruise ship. You'll see the ins and outs of the Dream. We're going to take you to dinner, breakfast, lunch, the whole 9 yards.
Like you're on the ship.
Yes, you're going with us.
Like you're going for free. Anyways, so each day, look forward to a video each day, and we'll be posting something different each day of what we're doing that day to prepare for our cruise. So each day will be something a little different, and up until we set sail. And some days will be live videos, some days will be just videos to watch, but every day there will be some sort of video posted from us over the next 12 days.
Yes, and if you're lucky, Sharon will share all of her special tips and tricks on how to get ready and how to make the most out of your cruise. So
that's right. Okay, so that's all we got for you today. I know today is a little simple and boring. You might have been expecting a little more today, but we just want to kind of tell you what's going on, and I'm going to leave you with one tip. This is really simple, but we booked this cruise. Actually, we booked this cruise almost 2 years out.
Yes, we've been waiting and waiting. Now, luckily, we've been on a few cruises in the meantime, and that's another tip for another day.
Right.
Is making sure you always have a cruise booked. But
that's right. But I suggest, here's your tip of the day. If you are going to book a cruise, if you can possibly book it 18 months to 2 years out, that's the best time. As soon as the itineraries hit the internet,
as soon as it hits the market,
book it, because you are going to. That's how you are going to get the lowest price, pretty much possible. And you can also, if it does go lower, you can then get some price drops.
Sure, you get like in our case, you get the early saver fare, and that way you keep an eye out, or your travel plan or travel agent, like Sharon, keeps an eye out for her clients. Yeah. And if you get any discounts during the time while you're waiting to get on the ship, you can benefit from that.
That's right. So, but in the meantime, you are getting the lowest price by booking way in advance. Nowadays, cruise lines run at pretty much full capacity, and you just don't see all those last minute low prices anymore.
Yeah.
You know, you may see a few around hurricane season, but that's about it.
Easy.
So
watch that hurricane season.
Tip of the day: book your cruises early.
Yes, and that's what we did. So we've been waiting and waiting, and now we're ready, and I am super psyched to get on the Carnival Dream here in just under 2 weeks. And I hope you guys have a good time coming with us, because we're going to have a good time showing her to you.
And let us know if there's anything special you want to see. Post it on our Cruise Crew page, and we'll make sure we add that to our blog.
Yes, Facebook, Sharon at Sea Cruise Crew. I'll also post something in the comments if you have any questions about anything we're talking about, and we will respond to you directly. It will be Sharon at Sea. No one else. She doesn't hire anyone to respond to her social media. She does it herself. She's the real deal.
Oh my gosh. All right. So there you go, guys. Happy cruising.
Happy
See
cruising.
you tomorrow.